Okay, integration by substitution, going over the homework. We've got an integral, it's a definite integral with limits, and we are given a substitution to use. So, the substitution, first of all, is u squared equals 2x minus 1. So we can get that on screen. Okay. Get that focused if I can. So, what's the first thing we should be doing at this stage? What have we done every time, first of all? Get that in terms of x. So if you move that minus 1 across and add it on, and divide all of that by 2, you get x. And because we've got to differentiate it in a minute, I think it's easier to write each of these bits divided by 2. So the u squared has a coefficient of a half, and then the plus 1 is also divided by 2. I think it's easier to differentiate if it's like that. So that means dx du will be, well, what will dx du be? U, yeah, okay. 2 times by a half is 1, u to the power of 1, that disappears, so I will move that du there, and I will get dx is equal to u du. So my integration, it's got limits, so I need to change my limits. I'm going from x's to u's, and when x is 5 and 25 is what I'm interested in. So u is this thing over here square rooted. So I double the x value, so here I'm going to get 10, take 1 away, that'll give me 9, that's what u squared is, so u will be the square root of that, so that will be 3. Then here, double it is 50, take 1 away is 49, so that's what u squared is, so u will be the square root of 49, u will be 7. So up here, I'm integrating between not 5 and 25, but 3 and 7. 6x is going to be 6 lots of this. 6 lots of that. If I put a 6 in front of it, that 6 and that 2 will make us 3. So, yeah, it did, thank you.
Was it somewhere?
It was in the maths office in an unusual place. Yeah, thanks. Okay. So I'm going to get 3 lots of u squared plus 1. Okay. That's my 6x. I'm dividing it by root of 2x minus 1. Well, there's 2x minus 1. That's u squared. So if I need to root it, that's going to be u. And then my dx I'm going to replace with u du. And at this point in the exam, I hope that has been helpful. If it hasn't been helpful, I've probably gone wrong somewhere. Is this helpful? Yes, because I can make those disappear. And I can take that 3 through the integral sign just to make it tidier. So I end up with that integral. If I integrate that, I'm going to get u cubed over 3 plus u between 7 and 3 with a 3 out the front. So substituting in, putting 7 in, I'm going to get that. Putting 3 in, I'm going to get that. I need to do a takeaway, and I need to times all of that by 3. That should give me my answer. And I'm looking down here, and it tells me the answer is 328. Right, the mark scheme is giving. Let's have a look. 1 mark for working out what x is. 1 mark for working out that relationship there. 1 mark for that line. 1 mark for effectively that line. 2 marks for that. And then 2 marks for that, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that question was out of 8 marks.